Hi everyone, and welcome back to Clean Up with Kelly. Today's video I'm going to be giving you some cleaning motivation for the end of summer. I'm going to be cleaning up our master bedroom and plus getting a ton of laundry put away. I'm also going to be vacuuming and just cleaning up the area in general. So if that is something that you need to see, then keep watching. So I always start by making the bed, and I kind of rushed this. This was during my daughter's nap time, so it's not perfectly made, but it's better than where it was. So I just quickly made the bed before starting on everything else. And if this is your first time to my channel, I would love for you to stay around. You can do that by hitting the red subscribe button down below and tapping the bell. And if you like cleaning videos, make sure you give this video a thumbs up if it motivated you. Sometimes you think about all the ways I'm making you smile. I know I am what you need, and boy, you're just my type. Deep down, I know you want it. You wanna take a leap and jump in. We're gonna fall in love. You get this feeling, wouldn't it be awesome if you just kiss me slowly and had me in your arms? You make me hey, let's go. Now onto our nightstands and just wiping in general. I'm going to be using this Mrs. Meyer's multi-purpose spray, and this is a radish scent, and I've never tried it before. It kind of reminded me of the basil a little bit, but it was pretty good. I would probably wait on buying it again until next summer. Next, I'm going to just quickly wipe down our blinds on both sides, and I'm not going to clean the window this day just because I don't have time to fully deep clean our room. Now onto the TV area and our dresser here. I'm actually going to be using this microfiber glove. I have no idea where I got it, but I did find a similar one on Amazon that I linked down below for you guys. But this is just basically a microfiber, and I'm going to put it on my hand and just wipe all of these very fragile areas where all the dust collects. You don't want to use any really harsh chemicals on electronics, so I like to use something really soft around this area. And then I'm just going to go back and wipe down the dresser with the spray just for the scent.
And over, you cry yourself to sleep, and you're colder, much colder. If only you could see. Don't you know that you're beautiful, just the way you are, just the way you came. Don't you know that you're beautiful, no matter what the scars, no matter what they say. And we'll shout it out, louder, prouder. Ain't no one gonna hold us down, 'cause you know that we're beautiful, just the way we are. Don't let them sell you all of their dirt. It all will come back once the tables turn. Bolder, go bolder. Now set your sails on high, and you're stronger, much stronger.
So after everything is wiped down, I have this huge laundry pile. Oh my gosh, I have been slacking on laundry so bad. I really need to get it together. I just have this huge mountain that I need to take care of, so I'm going to be folding and putting everything away and also hanging a few things up. So I'm going to show you how I do that. And hopefully this fast moving scene will get you motivated to get any laundry done, because it always helps me if I see someone else with a huge pile of laundry. It makes me want to get up and start a load right away.
Just the way we are, beautiful. So don't go changing. You're perfect as you are, just the way you are. Keep on shining. You're perfect as you are, just the way you are. Don't you know that you're beautiful? Just the way you are, just the way you came. Don't you know that you're beautiful? No matter what the scars, no matter what they say, then we'll shout it out louder, prouder.
So I'm trying to keep most of our clothes in this dresser. I do have some things hanging in the closet as well, but I like to fold up most of our clothes here, and I use these Dollar Tree bins. I have the fabric ones and I also have the smaller plastic ones. It just kind of keeps everything separated, and so I could put shirts or shorts in an area, and it keeps things from flopping around if the drawer isn't full yet.
If I should fall, just go ahead. Go and catch me, baby. Ooh, I live it. That's my true love. Ooh, I love it. Crank it up, yeah. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this.
And let me know in the comments if you do something similar, or if you bought an organizer for your drawers. What do you guys use? So I just have a few shirts that I want to hang up, and then I'm going to fold some of these socks and put them away, and then I'm done with laundry.
Grab that tambourine, bring the bass, we might be wicked. We may be forced to cause a scene, make some trouble, baby. Ooh, I live it.
And lastly, I'm just going to quickly vacuum this area. Vacuum all over. Sometimes we eat in our room and crumbs get left over from the weekend, so I want to make sure everything is cleaned up off the floor.
Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this.
And if you're new to my channel, I usually like to post before and after, so you just have that instant gratification and it gets you super motivated to get up and clean. So I'm going to show you the before clips and then the afters. I really hope this video gave you a ton of cleaning motivation, and if it did, make sure that you hit that like button. Let me know in the comments down below, and subscribe if you're new. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.